lights, camera, action.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I am Gamil Pescaringor from Cebu Technological University main campus taking a Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in STEM and A-level education. Before that, ma'am, I am here to interview you about some of your experiences about English. But before that, may I know what is your name, ma'am, and what grade level are you taking English?
I am teacher Yoli B. Atko. And I am handling grade 4 students.
Here's my question. First, what problems have you encountered in school and to parents?
As of now, for my almost 1 year of being a teacher here in Sawang, in school, I think number one problem is the lack of facilities. And then towards this parents, I can say that they are lack of support in their children's education.
Okay. Next, ma'am, what are the behavior problems you have encountered with the pupil?
With the pupils, number one is their misbehavior. First is I can say that their lack of discipline. Mostly, especially in my class, so there are many are the boys
Yes, ma'am.
compared to girls. So commonly, boys have more unusual behavior. They are very hyperactive, I would say. Especially that in my sections, there are some special children. They are fond of answering back teachers when they are under discipline. They are always shouting. They always love roaming around. And another is they always wanted to go out. So some of them really do cutting classes. And number one, the teachers, some of the subject teachers hate them when they are skipping from the class.
The next question is, how did you troubleshoot those undesirable behaviors of the students?
Okay, in terms of misbehavior of my students, okay, first is I will keep quiet and then I will observe them who really, those who are very, very noisy, keep on talking and roaming around, and then I go look to them, and then if they keep on roaming around, I just get some sticks and I strike the door. If there is a big noise and stop, just go back to your chairs. I'm not going to shout, simply go back to your seats. If you are not going back, so you will know what next I will do to you. Like that. Okay.
Next is, how do you manage a classroom?
In managing the classroom, for me, my routine every morning after the flag ceremony is cleaning up the surroundings. Because I am afraid to what if the visitors will just suddenly come out. So as a senior grade level in the ground, because of, my neighboring classrooms are kinder, grade 1, grade 2, so they're not able to clean up their surroundings. So I take in charge. So I ask my students to clean the grounds and the near surroundings, the other grade levels. And after cleaning up the surroundings, after prayer, proceed to the announcement and then lesson proper.
Next is, have you encountered problems with parents, principal, and co-teachers? What are those?
Not yet.
Next is, how do you reward and punish students' desirable and undesirable behavior?
In terms of giving rewards to the desirable behavior, first, I appreciate each behavior of the child and I acknowledge in front of the class so that my students will be able to know what is the best thing to do and what is the good thing to do. Something like that. In terms of undesirable behavior, first, I'm going to get their attention. And then, especially in my class, they're always having a fight. So I go deeper, I talk to them one by one. Okay, what is the reason why you struck him? What is the reason why you do this like that to him? So I should know first the reason before I give them like somewhat punishment or action. Okay, mostly I give them as a disciplinary action. I give them or I allow them to clean their room 4 times a day. Like that.
Next is, have you experienced bribery from parents and bullying of students?
Bribery I did not. And if there is, I won't accept. Bullying, this time common, very common in my class. But bullying from my students toward me, not yet. No, hopefully it won't happen. But to my pupils, I always really remind them not to do bullying, especially as of now that is already a law. There is a law that if someone caught bullying, it could be in prison.
Last question, Ruby. What are your best practices as a teacher?
Okay, my best practices as a teacher, this time I am particular in their characters and behavior. Okay. First thing, when I get first in the classroom, I always share to them about God, about the Bible, about the verse. So there are times that I allow them or I even ask them to memorize some verses like Ephesians 6:1 and Ephesians 6:2, Psalms. Yes, children nowadays should know the word of God. So I allow them, I ask them one by one, okay, memorize like that. And after memorizing, I explain to them why you should obey to your parents, why you should fear the Lord, like that. And then after verses, I teach them sing Christian songs. As of now, in each of a section, I teach them Tagalog songs like Alakip ng Awitin, and the other song is Wala Kang Katulad. So like that. So every time I hear them, so I pray, Lord, I pray that song will connect to their hearts, will connect to their souls. That the song that they're singing, it will reflect the way they live. Something like that. That these children will grow up useful citizen, not a headache, giving headache to the society. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mom.
Thank you.